Acumatica's manufacturing data collection captures shop floor data in real time using our native mobile app. You can use the native mobile app to process a number of transactions, including material and move scans, and clock in and clock out for labor transactions. You can access data collection anywhere that you can download the Acumatica mobile app, including an iPhone, Android, and scanning devices that have a screen and access to the internet. Let's look at the production orders workspace, specifically the production preferences. Under the manufacturing operations settings, we can determine how we'd like data collection to interact with our default settings. For example, we can reference the default quantity and materials from our bill of materials, your default quantity and move from your bill of materials, etc. Next, we'll pull up a production order and start the process of utilizing the shop floor data collection. From here, we can print a production ticket or job traveler. That production ticket will include barcodes that we can utilize to scan our shop floor data. We can scan for material transactions, labor transactions, and move transactions. Next, let's pull up the Acumatica mobile application on a smart device and log in. Within the application, we can scroll down to find the screens related to manufacturing data collection, such as the material scan and the move scan. We'll use the material scan today. Referencing the instructions on the mobile device, we will begin the scanning process. First, we are prompted to scan the production order ID. We can use the mobile device to begin scanning. Notice that Acumatica recognized the correct prompt and asks us to move on to the next, which is to scan the operation ID. We'll do just that. Next, it asks for the location, which we could also type in manually if we didn't have a barcode available. And finally, we are prompted to scan the barcode of the items that we would like to issue to the job. You can adjust the quantity on the materials if necessary, or continue to scan for this transaction. We are now ready to release this particular scan. Moving back to the production order, we will be able to keep an eye on all of our event history. For example, we can see that we have captured our material scans coming in from the mobile device. We also see that our totals for our materials are starting to be captured from the mobile device as well. You can continue to use the same process to capture clock in and clock out time for labor, as well as to create move transactions. For today's demonstration, let's create a move transaction to complete this production order. Selecting the Scan Move option in the mobile device, we will follow the same process. Follow the prompts on the mobile device, and we will reference the production ticket with barcode to complete the move. Once again, we will start the scanning process by scanning the production order ID. Next, we are asked which operation we would like to move from. We can either say we would like to complete the assembly, or in this example, we're going to complete the final operation, which is the inspection. Acumatica will recognize the item that we are creating, and again, we can adjust the quantity as necessary. Finally, we will release the transaction. Back on our production order, we can analyze the results of the move transaction. Because we completed the final operation or moved from the final operation, which was inspection, this production order has been completed. We will also see under our event history that our move transaction and cost transaction have been captured, and any remaining totals have been updated as well. Use Acumatica's native mobile application to capture shop floor data collection in real time. Scan all information required for material issues, capture clock in and clock out data by work center, and create move transactions to understand how a job flows from workstation to workstation across your shop floor.